This is our new project, in which we made a device or product ideal for finding the exact linear distance in centimeters or inches traveled by a rotating wheel. It is especially useful for woodworking, CNC setups, and any scenario where precise on-the-fly distance tracking is essential. The device also incorporates adjustments for blade thickness and tilt angle, making it a smart tool for machine operators and makers who demand precision in movement-based processes. For example, in the case of wood-cutting saw, we named this product Measurement Wheel Device. The measuring wheel device is using a Arduino Nano board, a very high-resolution, the photoelectric incremental rotary encoder with the single-phase 600 pulses per revolution for very accurate distance tracking, 2 RGB LED lights for indication, and button for resetting. It also using 3 more normal rotary encoders, one for changing the menu on the LCD screen, and other 2 for adjustments of horizontal swing and vertical tilt angle. A 9V battery is used for powering the device. On the back side of device, you can see the DC jack for 9 volts power supply and a power button for turning on and off the device. Also, you can see the wire of rotary encoder coming out from device. The length of wire can be increased or decreased based upon requirement. You can also see a vent for proper ventilation of device.